Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to make money from anywhere. You'll earn $5.99 per minute when you text chats with people from all over the world. You can even make real live money from home. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. If you're a fan of texting or chatting online, you'll like Premium.chat. Premium.chat makes it easy to get paid to chat or consult with clients, fans, and followers. Simply set per minute fees or flat rates for voice calls, texts, or video chats. Any user with a social media following who is interested in monetizing their interactions with that audience might benefit from using this platform. It just takes a few minutes to get up and running, and it's really simple to do so. Get set up in 3 minutes and start making money today with no setup costs or monthly fees. Use Premium.chat to offer paid chat the way you want it. Easily create your Premium.chat profile and share links on social media, your website, or in emails and direct messages. Alternatively, create your own paid chat widget for your website. Installations as simple as copying and pasting a few lines of code. Get paid to text chat securely from any device with no app to install. Offer text chat alongside or instead of video chat, whatever works. Boost your availability and stay connected with clients even when it's not convenient to video call. Premium.chat works with all mobile and desktop browsers. The platform notifies you as soon as you get a new chat request, and all you have to do to maximize your earnings is maintain the chat for as long as feasible. If you have a social media page with a few followers and are seeking for a way to monetize your platform, this is it. The platform is both engaging and lucrative. You may charge from $1 to $5.99 per minute, or up to $50 for flat rate chat. Also, you can refer friends and contacts to earn even more. They pay 2.5% of all revenue generated by your referrals, and 2.5% on anyone they refer. As soon as you start making money, they will deposit it immediately into your PayPal or local bank account using Payoneer. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.